Music. Catalant, Freelancer platform review. Want top-tier talent for your next project? This video dives into Catalant, connecting businesses with experts for short and long-term needs. Link in the description. Catalant specializes in high-level consulting, serving companies needing specialized skills, strategy, marketing, data analysis, finance, and operations. Perfect for large or mid-market companies tackling complex, high-stakes projects. This isn't your typical gig platform. Catalant prioritizes quality, matching businesses with proven professionals. Their curated marketplace lets you access vetted experts. Post your project and Catalant's algorithm finds the perfect match. This targeted approach saves you time compared to traditional hiring. Built-in project management tools streamline collaboration, with transparent billing and tracking, keeping projects on budget. Plus, Catalant offers flexibility for project length and scope, allowing you to scale as needed. For freelancers, Catalant provides access to high-profile clients and well-paying projects. Ideal for independent consultants seeking impactful work without lengthy hiring processes. In short, Catalant is a premium platform for businesses needing expert consultants and freelancers seeking top opportunities. Perfect for strategic and operational projects. Check the link below.